This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Uncover the untapped potential of this 2,100 square foot manufactured double wide situated on a sprawling 1.07 acre plot. This property presents a unique opportunity for renovation and value addition. Featuring 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an additional bonus room, and office space, it's an ideal project for those looking to customize or expand their rental or resale portfolio. Nestled in a serene country setting with a picturesque, wooded approach, this property offers the best of both worlds, tranquility and accessibility. The expansive land provides ample space for future development, gardening, or leisure facilities, further enhancing its appeal to all. Capitalize on the opportunity to enhance this property into a profitable investment, perfectly poised for renovations that will optimize returns. Whether you're aiming to flip, rent, or develop, this property offers a versatile canvas for various investment strategies. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Discover the possibilities, imagine the transformation, and leave your imprint on this investment. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.